Welcome to Cowboys Cleaning, professional house cleaning services in Dallas, Irving, and across the DFW Metroplex, Texas. Clean house, clean mind, and happy work today. We take pride in our attention to detail and our ability to customize our cleaning services to meet the specific needs of our clients. We use safe, eco-friendly cleaning products and proven techniques to ensure your home shines every time. Every space is unique, which is why we offer customizable cleaning options to fit your specific needs and preferences. Whether you need a one-time deep cleaning or regular weekly cleaning services, we've got you covered. We are the top choice for Maid service in Dallas, Irving, the DFW Metroplex, and nearby areas because we consistently stand out from our competitors in numerous ways. Offering exceptional service with a commitment to excellence, that's what defines Cowboys Cleaning. Here's what our happy customer says to our cleaning services. Your go-to source for professional home and commercial cleaning services. Proudly cleaning the Dallas, Irving, and across the DFW metropole. Book now today by just calling 214-597-6654 or visit cowboyscleaning.com.